Welcome back to Your Place at 7. I'm pleased to be joined today by a very special guest on the show, Ciara Reed, a principal attorney and co-founder at Simpson and Reed Law Firm.
Hello, everybody. Happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
We're so excited to have you here. Ciara isn't just any lawyer, and that's why I'm so excited to introduce you guys to her. She's one of the best entertainment attorneys in the game, primarily representing rap, R&B, hip-hop artists, but just spanning a whole scope of the industry. And she's also a member of the Recording Academy and a Rogue Valley native. So obviously the Grammys are this week. We have lots to discuss there since you'll be attending, but let's start with some basics. Tell me a little bit about what you do, Ciara.
Well, I'm an entertainment attorney, like you said. I don't go to court. I negotiate the contracts. We typically negotiate the contracts between the recording artist and the label. But we also represent labels as well and those other entertainment personnel in the entertainment space.
That is so cool. Can you name drop a couple of your clients or maybe some really cool projects that you've worked on?
You know, I have been so fortunate throughout my career to work from Kanye West cleared his Donda album, his Jesus is King, to Busta Rhymes, Demi Lovato. I've worked with some of the best in the game, and I've also worked with some of the most talented up-and-coming artists. So, like I said, been very, very fortunate in my career.
I can only imagine day-to-day is just so exciting. So how did you get into the Recording Academy, and what do you even do as a member?
Well, I've been in this industry for a number of years. And so I think it's just by virtue of knowing people, and you have to get nominated. So I was nominated by virtue of just knowing people, within our community, and was able to become a member. And becoming a member, you get to vote on the nominees. So it's pretty cool.
That's really cool. So you grew up in the Jacksonville area, attended South Medford High School, later University of Oregon for law school. When did you realize that you were interested in a career in entertainment?
Well, taking it way back, I actually had my SAG card. I was a child actress back in California. Yeah, before I moved to Oregon. But Oregon gave me my foundation. It gave me my sense of community and who I am, and I still bring that today. And I bring that to our firm too. So it's, family is centered to our firm, and that's how we treat our clients, and that's just how we do business.
That's really cool. Okay, so with the Grammys coming up this weekend, can you say who do you think deserves Best New Artist?
Well, of course, I'm going to say our artists deserve Best Artist.
Good answer.
No, I honestly, I think that, it's very difficult because I think every artist, producer, talent that is in the Grammy Recording Academy has put their best foot forward. And I think that whoever gets it really, truly deserves it.
That's great. Do you have any Grammy stories, any moments where that happened behind the scenes that maybe we at home don't really get to know about, but you're privy to?
The Grammys, it's kind of the buildup, right? It's we're down here in beautiful Los Angeles. It's the buildup of Grammys. It's not just the Grammys, but there's the events that, you have to attend, that I'm attending. It's really just kind of the fun parties that you get to go to, the meetings that you set up. It's a whole week long of Grammys, not just the Grammys. But, when the time comes and it's kind of the big hurrah, it's really exciting and great to be there to just be like, wow, this is what everything we do comes and is, presented before us, basically.
Probably some pretty cool people to rub elbows with,
Very
I'm sure. Cool. Do you have any advice for any upcoming artists or maybe even upcoming people who are interested in entertainment law?
I will steal Arnold Schwarzenegger's quote, ignore the naysayers, because you will always have them. They will tell you that it's too hard. It's a very difficult industry to break into. And though those are very true, if there's a will, there's a way. So keep at it.
Yeah, and I think that's proof. Coming from here to all the way to Hollywood today. That is so
great
cool.
Great to have. Thanks for having me, you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming on the show. If people want to reach out and find you to connect some more, find out more about Simpson and Reed Law Firm, how can they do that?
Reach out to us via Simpson and Reed, just our website. We also have Instagram and TikTok, Simpson and Reed, where we give not legal advice, but legal tips for those that are interested in the legal space. So
ooh, probably some good little nuggets of information there.
We try to.
Yeah. All right, I can't wait to see how things shake out this weekend at the Grammys. I hope you have so much fun attending the awards.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for being here. All right, we'll be right back with some more Your Place at 7.